Hey everyone, it's Paul here with the all-wheel drive Falcon. Just wanted to show you a 0 to 100k run on the freeway on a cool night. It's about 14 degrees, just gone past about 1:30 AM, and so I'll just put it into sports performance mode, let the auto do the shifting and build up some boost and RPM. You'll see my boost gauge just at the bottom of the screen, and I'll show you how we go. So I'll hit the start button for the V-Box recorder, which is synced with my iPhone, and give it some boost and RPM, and here we go. Well, that was it. I'll just pull over and have a look at those stats for the run. So let's see how we went with that one. It says 0 to 60 Ks. Let me just have a close look at that. So 0 to 60 Ks in 1.53 seconds. 0 to 100 kilometers came up in 2.96 seconds, so just beat just under 3 seconds. And my 60-foot time was about 1.8 seconds. Maximum G on the run recorded was just a bit over 1 G acceleration, 1.05 Gs. Thanks for watching.